Hi, welcome back. Evaluating expressions, lesson 3. This is the answer to number 15 from your daily work. So looking at this one, I noticed we have two variables listed. I have the variable h, there's the value, and I also have the variable k. Here's the value for that one. So I'm going to rewrite this expression, and every time I hit a variable, I'm going to stop, set up some parentheses, then go find the value, and immediately write that value in. So I have 7, and then here's my first variable. It is the variable h. The value for that is 5.5. Continuing to write, minus 3, minus, and then 11 times, and then I have my next variable, which is k. Found up here is negative 2.5. That's my first substitution. I'm going to go ahead and handle this parentheses in here. I need to do this subtraction. So 2.5 minus 3 is 5.5 minus 3 is 2.5. And I'm going to leave that alone. Okay, so now I'm going to do the multiplication. 7 times 2.5 is 9.5? No. So, help.
17.5.
17?
Yes.
Okay, and then here. 11, negative 11 times negative 2.5.
27.5.
27.5. And when I add them together, I get?
45.
45?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead and feel free to use a calculator on these when you start getting those decimals, because multiplying with decimals hurts my head.
I saw where you made that.